Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and open up this here box right here. Do a little unbox and see what does it look like. Table now? I don't think so. It's not. Alright. I want to point out to you guys right here, y'all see this bad damage right here. That's why I'm opening this up on camera here. Boom, 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 boom. So it's going to be this front box right here. This one. Oh, it's damaged. It is damaged. Let's see, what is it? It is the 8 cameras. Okay, so if anything there is damaged, it's going to be one of these cameras right here. Alright. That'll be the mounting bracket of it. Which should be alright. Should be okay. And the reason why I had to get this here new camera system is because the other one, the DVR is several years old now. I got 8 cameras out there, but I only got 4 of them working because 4 of them was from a different system about 15 years ago. Now this DVR, I guess it's actually about 8 years old or so. Yeah, I've had 2 different systems in here. And this here keeps saying disk error, and I'm losing a lot of the time when it's recording. It's supposed to be recording, and it's not, because it's got an error. This is the DVR, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, pretty sure this is the DVR. Yeah, that's the DVR itself. Alrighty then. I'm sure that's okay too. Itself, paperwork, book. Okay, this is easy peasy to hook up. I'll be hooking it up. I'm going to go ahead and install this one here in a little while. I got the same one over there that's having a disk error on it. The exact same DVR, but I only got 4 of the cameras working on it. Okay. And these are real easy to hook up. And it's all looking pretty good right now, so this over here. Okay. This here is the cables, wires, plugs, you know, power sources and things of that nature. And I'm pretty sure it's all in there. I'm going to take it all out till I'm actually hooking it all up. The wires, the cables, I should have a few extra of these around here already. Well, no, that's right. I got 8 cameras hooked up there. That's right. And I guess I do got any extras around. Fixing to have 8 brand new cameras up there. I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed and start changing everything out and put new cameras in. Gotta go up in the attics. Anyway, I'll turn this around this way right here. Let y'all see this over here. When I'm gonna rehook it, I'm gonna change it out. Hey, that system right there, that DVR right there. The DVR is bad. There's actually, wow, I think that's a 16 channel DVR. Let me see. Alright, I know it's an 8. I got 8 cameras hooked up, but 4 of them I disconnected outside because they were black and white, and I have 4 color cameras, and the black and white ones, I didn't like it, so I took them off. Let me see. Hey. See, I had 4 more cameras, but these 4 right here that I hooked up outside, but I got them disconnected. I unplugged them. Matter of fact, I unplugged them in here. Yeah, I got them in here. I unplugged them in here. They're still hooked up outside, but they were black and white. Those other 4, and I didn't like them. See, I have 4 color. The other DVR that I had was only black and white, and whenever I got this one, it was color. And it's been pretty good to me. I've used it now for about, this particular DVR, about 8 years or so. It's been a while. So, it's been pretty good to me, but now I'm getting this disc error every day. So, I'm going to change it out. Damn, man, my knee is hurting bad. Alright, I'm going to put a new DVR and 8 brand new cameras outside. Alright, let me get to it here.